As travel vloggers, we always pictured ourselves staying in a beautiful villa with an infinity pool overlooking the turquoise blue ocean. And this dream came true when we got to stay in this lovely property located in one of the most scenic islands in the world that belongs to the gorgeous tropical country of Thailand. Welcome to the Koh Lipe vlog.
What's up guys, my name is Anagha
And I am Abhijit.
and welcome to our channel Anabhi Vlogs.
So guys, right now we are at Koh Lipe Island in Thailand.
और आज के व्लॉग में हम लोग इस खूबसूरत प्रॉपर्टी को आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं. नेम ऑफ दिस रिजॉर्ट इज़ 10 मून सनसेट विलास एंड सनराइज़ विलास. तो फ़िलहाल तो हम लोग सनसेट विलास में रुके हैं और ये व्लॉग पूरा इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में होने वाला है. सो वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड. सो फ़िलहाल हमारी मलेशिया की ट्रिप चल रही है, लेकिन जब मैंने रिसर्च किया था अबाउट लंकावी आइलैंड तो मुझे पता चला कि लंकावी के नज़दीक कोह लिपे नाम का आइलैंड है जो कि थाईलैंड में पड़ता है एंड दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. तो हमने सोचा ये भी कवर करके लेते हैं. सो येस्टरडे वी केम फ्रॉम लंकावी इन मलेशिया टू कोह लिपे इन थाईलैंड एंड दिस इज़ सच अ गॉर्जियस property and the beach itself is also so beautiful. So we are going to take a lot of drone shots as well.
Let's first talk about the stunning island that we were staying on. This is Koh Lipe, a small but incredibly beautiful island located in Thailand. Over the recent couple of years, Koh Lipe has gained a lot of popularity as a gorgeous tropical destination. Its crystal clear blue waters and white sandy beaches are one of the best in Thailand. The turquoises and the teals are simply a treat for the eyes. Koh Lipe has absolutely pristine beaches, making it perfect for honeymooners or couples. The island has some of the best hotels and resorts. And also, the island is very close to Malaysia borders. Many tourists regularly cross borders by the ferry to visit this amazing island.
तो हमारे मलेशिया ट्रिप के बीच में हम लोग 2 नाइट्स के लिए थाईलैंड में आए हैं
और ये प्रॉपर्टी इक्वली गॉर्जियस और ब्यूटीफुल है जितना कि ये आइलैंड है.
So guys, name of this property is 10 Moons Resort. They have 2 kinds of villas, 10 Moons Sunset Villas and 10 Moons Sunrise Villas. And we are staying in the 10 Moons Sunset Villas that have an absolutely gorgeous view of sunset from all the rooms. And all these villas have their own private pools.
10 Moons Sunset Villas has accommodations for both couples and families. We stayed in their private pool villa that has dreamy views of the sunset beach. All the villas have a spacious terrace where you can lounge and enjoy the scenic beauty or get inside the infinity pool.
आज के वीडियो में हम लोग सब कुछ शेयर करने वाले हैं. We'll share the link of the website and you can find the charges on their website and you can also find all the details. We are just blown away by looking at this place. Look at this infinity pool.
We are absorbing the vibe of this place as much as we can.
पहले तो पानी इतना ब्लू है कि मालदीव्स की तरह लग रहा है एंड देयर इज़ ऑल्सो सम सेशल्स वाइब एंड वी आर सो लकी एंड ग्लैड टू बी हियर. सो दिस इज़ आवर सेकेंड डे इन कोह लिपे और अभी सुबह के 8:30 बजे है एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सम अमेजिंग ब्रेकफास्ट और हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे कि यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट कैसे होता है.
They have an amazing breakfast spread that includes both continental and Thai options. The breakfast served is fresh, piping hot, and genuinely filling. We had opted for the continental breakfast wherein we selected from a variety of foods like type of eggs, sausages, beverages like tea or coffee, fruit platters and fresh fruit juices. The best part about having breakfast at their restaurant was the beautiful view of the ocean.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop.
The breakfast is usually included in the accommodation package. The restaurant menu has amazing international cuisine options for lunch and dinner. The highlights being their Thai, Japanese, Spanish, and Italian food. We had a healthy start to our day with some good food and great views. Apart from that, our favorites were the blueberry pancakes and the French toast. The fluffy pancakes with chocolate syrup were so sumptuous. Also loved the French toast with a drizzle of honey.
Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
The breakfast was simple and delicious. Make sure to order or be there by checking the breakfast service timings. Their Thai breakfast includes some popular dishes of the country like the pad Thai, basil chicken with rice, and some salads. You can also order food inside your villa, but we definitely loved having food here as well.
We just got done with our breakfast और थोड़ा सा ड्रोन उड़ाया, पानी के इतने सुंदर शॉट्स लिए हैं. एंड नाउ probably we are going to go in water. सो गाइज़, अभी हम लोग इस प्रॉपर्टी के प्राइवेट बीच पर जा रहे हैं. वहाँ पे सिर्फ यहाँ के गेस्ट अलाउड है. तो वी आर गोना शो यू दैट ब्यूटीफुल प्रिस्टीन बीच. दिस इज़ द वे टू द बीच.
लुक एट द गॉर्जियस बीच बिहाइंड मी. काफ़ी खूबसूरत है और ये दिस इज़ वेल कनेक्टेड टू द प्रॉपर्टी. और यहाँ से हम लोग डायरेक्टली जा रहे हैं अभी शोर पे. यहाँ पे हम लोग तस्वीरें खींचने की कोशिश करेंगे और वी आर सो मच ग्रेटफुल टू बी हियर. बहुत ही प्रिस्टीन और ब्लू वाटर है यहाँ पे. आपको जितना मन चाहे उतना यहाँ पे आप बैठ के एंजॉय कर सकते हो. यहाँ के प्रॉपर्टी के खुद के ये बेड्स भी हैं जहाँ पे आप रेस्ट कर सकते हो. तो क्या नहीं है इस प्रॉपर्टी में. एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर एंड
Still make it work.
अभी हम लोग नीचे बीच पर आ गए हैं एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल बीच. हमारा जो लास्ट थाईलैंड ट्रिप था उस वक्त हमने बहुत सारे बोट टूर्स किए थे एंड उस वक्त एक बीच पर ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए रुकने को नहीं मिलता था. तो वो सब अभी हम लोग को मिल रहा है. वी आर ऑन दिस वन बीच फॉर 2 nights एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट.
'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे?
Water is so pristine and blue, and we had always dreamt of being at such a place. Firstly, the room itself, मतलब रूम के सामने पूल एंड उसके आगे समुंदर, वो सब हमने एक बार ड्रीम किया था. The ocean view room with an infinity pool, and right now it's the reality.
It's
So
so
we are
crazy.
really thankful.
और
the
यहीं पे
universe.
हमारा घर है, ये देख यहीं पे रूम है हमारे.
Yes.
Such a beautiful property, man.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Woo! Wow.
Still make it work.
We visited Kolipe in the month of March, and the best time to visit this island is from October to April, when the weather is pleasant and the skies are clear, and you can indulge yourself in tons of water activities. Now let's see the room tour. Welcome to our room. So this is the spacious living room with this beautiful king size bed. We have some seating area where you can chill and relax, have some drinks. And here we have television which we can watch while sitting on the bed. This room has such bohemian vibes. Here we have the working table. We have a coffee table with Starbucks की coffee.
We are so excited to have Starbucks coffee at our room. तो ये रूम शूट में बहुत टाइम जाता है. Let's hope we have this coffee on time. एंड वैसे यहाँ पे आप रूम पर भी खाना मंगा सकते हो. इट्स सच अ अमेजिंग प्लेस, मतलब पूरा व्यू देख के खाना एंजॉय कर सकते हो.
We have a refrigerator. This is a coffee maker machine as well.
And right now, let me show you the best part of the room. And that's the view. Firstly, we have this huge window wall. So there is a complete view of the place even when you are inside the room. We have two cabanas. We have this private pool all to ourselves, that too an infinity pool that we can use anytime we want, and this is absolutely the best part of the room, I would say. And we have so much space. We can see the ocean right in front of us. And since this is the sunset pool villa, we can also see the sunset over there. Sunset happening right from our room.
Still make it work.
And you can see the height of the room. Obviously it's a villa and it's so spacious and comfortable and cozy at the same time. Now let me show you the washroom. So the washroom is huge. We have two wash basins for him and her, and this Beautiful mirrors. And the shower area is also so spacious and everything looks so sparkling, clean and beautiful. And we have a full length mirror over here, and this space is for luggage, for clothes. We have a safe over here, there's a laundry bag and stuff. We also have umbrellas if we need, maybe for rain or sun. Absolutely loving the bohemian aesthetics of the room. सारे जो लैम्प्स है या फिर ड्रीम कैचर्स लगाए हुए हैं एंड द वुडन इंटीरियर्स आर गिविंग सच अ बोहेमियन वाइब जैसे बाली में रहती है, एंड इट्स लुकिंग रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड कोजी.
The villa interiors are designed thoughtfully with a touch of both bohemian and tropical vibes. The subtle beige walls, the warm wooden interiors, fresh white linen, the rustic lamps, and the dream catchers all add to a comfortable and serene experience. The huge window walls add a lovely blend of natural lighting.
'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
Even from the outside, the villas look so comfortable, cozy, and inviting, like a lovely home that has the right blend of nature and luxury.
We would say this property is absolutely perfect for couples and families क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत privacy है, and this place is also kids friendly, so it's great for both couples and families. And honeymoon के लिए this is the best option because you don't have to travel much around. आपके सामने ही view है, you have your own private pool and everything is just perfect. Correct?
एब्सोल्युटली. तो ये पूरे विला में एकदम प्रिस्टीन और हाई क्वालिटी वुडन इंटीरियर किया हुआ है, और ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे, और हर जगह पे क्लीनलीनेस बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मेंटेन किया है. कहीं पे भी हमें ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये कुछ जगह थोड़ा सा डाउनग्रेडेड है. एग्जैक्टली फ्लॉलेस जगह है.
During our stay, we flew the drone a couple of times, capturing the beauty of the villas with its naturally bountiful surroundings.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know
pool is amazing and completely clean, perfectly sized for a family or a couple.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract.
Pool time was simply relaxing. The private pool offers a majestic view of the Adang Island and the blue ocean. There's a perfect sense of calmness and joy at the same time. In the evening, you can also enjoy a colorful sunset with the skies looking vibrant. You will be provided extra pair of towels for both the beach and pool time. Spending time in the pool is in itself a very relaxing activity. The pool water is sparkling clean and very well maintained.
So guys, हमारा पूरा शूट हो गया लकीली, और कुछ देर पहले अभी बहुत ज़ोर की बारिश हुई एंड लाइटनिंग थी, बारिश भी थी, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था. लेकिन लकीली हमारा ड्रोन शॉट्स एंड ऑल पिक्चर्स एंड एवरीथिंग आर डन.
We can still make it work.
वैसे बारिश के वक्त भी काफ़ी खूबसूरत लग रहा था एंड द वाटर एंड द पूल वे लुकिंग सो इनवाइटिंग.
The rains added to the romantic charm of the place with swaying trees and breezy waters. You could smell the refreshing scent of land.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know
Now we are just waiting for the sunset. We hope it's going to be incredible. And शायद अभी थोड़ा रिसेप्शन एरिया में भी हम लोग जाते हैं, राइट, टू हैव अ चैट विद देम. अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो कोली पे या फिर दिस पर्टिकुलर रिजॉर्ट, कम फॉर मिनिमम 2 nights, और उससे ज़्यादा हो तो बढ़िया है, बिकॉज देर इज़ सो मच टू डू हियर एंड द व्यूज़ आर जस्ट क्रेजी. अभी जस्ट बारिश रुक गई है एंड द सन इज़ ऑल्सो peeping through the clouds and it's looking even more beautiful. So we are thinking now to go to the beach and maybe do some snorkeling. कितना भी क्लाउडी हो, पानी तो ब्लू ही दिखता है यहाँ का. हम लोग शायद अभी सनसेट बीच जाएंगे.
The place also offers free pickup and drop tuk-tuk service to all its customers, and also once in a day there's a free ride for an hour, and other times it's chargeable for going to the market or other beaches.
तो हम लोग अभी इस पाथवे पर है विच इज़ ऑन द ओशन फ्रॉम द शोर, एंड यहाँ पे मेनली फिशिंग वाले बोट्स वगैरह आते हैं. इट्स अ नाइस वॉकवे एंड अभी थोड़ा क्लाउडी है वेदर, लेकिन सनी वेदर हमने पूरा मॉर्निंग में एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया है, तो अभी ये वेदर का मज़ा ले रहे हैं. एंड लुक एट द ब्यूटिफुल नेचर ऑल अराउंड.
this is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
So यहाँ से भी हम लोग की प्रॉपर्टी दिख रही है. लुक एट दैट. अभी भी कुछ लोग कायाकिंग कर रहे हैं और हम लोग को थोड़ा डर लग रहा है, मतलब क्लाउडी भी है तो स्नॉर्केलिंग करके कुछ दिखेगा या नहीं पता नहीं।
कायाकिंग कर सकते हैं वैसे।
This is how I feel.
Morning time the lighting in the room is just perfect and evening it's so romantic. The wooden interiors and the dim lamps look so beautiful.
Here's how the villa looks in the evening. Absolutely mesmerizing with the dim lights. Even the lit up pool adds magic to the ambience. I was talking about how beautifully the blue sky was complementing the warm tones of the villa. Moreover, the evenings are also an amazing time to chill inside the pool. And having an access to it for all the time was the most exciting part.
This is how I feel and I can't stop.
तो अभी वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट से चलते चलते हम लोग बीच तक आ गए हैं एंड द बीच इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत सारे शॉप्स है, शैक्स है, लिट अप.
तो ये हाई सीज़न माना जाता है यहाँ का. फिर भी यहाँ पे कभी भी बारिश हो सकती है. वेदर बहुत अनप्रडिक्टेबल होता है, जैसे कि आज हो गई. और यहाँ पे कई सारे तरह के कंट्रीज़ के रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, बट मेजॉरिटीली यहाँ पे थाई और चाइनीज़ फूड काफ़ी फेमस है. इंडियन फूड का एक ही रेस्टोरेंट अभी तक हमें देखने को मिला है.
और भी रहेगा लेकिन इस स्ट्रीट पर नहीं है शायद.
जी. और हमारे पास सिम कार्ड नहीं है फिलहाल. हम 2 नाइट के लिए आए थे तो सोचा क्यों इतना उसके लिए 500,000 रुपये का सिम कार्ड ले ले. तो हम लोग ऐसे ही चलते चलते देख रहे हैं.
यहाँ पे गोवा की वाइब है.
एग्जैक्टली.
मतलब शैक कल्चर इज़ क्वाइट सिमिलर एंड बीचेस का पानी बस ज़्यादा ब्लू है.
बिल्कुल. और यहाँ पे वाइट सैंड बीचेस है.
This is one of the main touristy beaches from where most of the island hopping boat trips happen. It is lined up with many restaurants and shacks that serve delicious food with sea views. You can enter this beach from the market through the walking street. After exploring the bustling market, we had dinner at this amazing Bombay Indian restaurant. Their butter chicken with garlic naan was absolutely lip-smacking.
As we have mentioned earlier, we are staying on the Koh Lipe Island in Thailand, and there are a couple of ways by which you can get to this gorgeous island.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't.
In the previous video, we have shared our entire journey of reaching Koh Lipe from Langkawi in Malaysia. So do check that. With the help of drone shots, we would love to show both the type of villas that this place has to offer. So down there, just besides the beach, you can see the 10 Moon Sunrise Villas. There are a group of beach bungalows offering another beach access and stunning views of the ocean and sunrise. And here are the Sunset Villas. You can check out the website link in the description for more details.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
next day and we decided to visit a lovely sandy beach that we had been eyeing on from our villa terrace during our stay. To get to this beach, we had to walk down along the shore and some rocks. This beach is one of the most picturesque areas of the island. Even from here, you can do boat trips as there were a couple of long-tail boats lined up along the shore. Also, this beach is perfect for swimming in the ocean or having a sunbath.
Wow! What a beautiful sea behind us on white sand.
At the sunset beach, you can see beautiful shades of turquoise, and the sand is also adorned with lovely shells.
मैंने तो सोचा था कि कायाकिंग करेंगे, बट नहीं, ये जगह सबसे बढ़िया है। यहाँ पे हम लोग अभी थे और यहाँ पे हम लोग काफ़ी मज़ा कर रहे हैं और ऐसा लग रहा है कि कम से कम यहाँ पे 1-2 घंटे और होंगे, बट फिर भी यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम की कमी है।
The beauty of this place is truly admirable and it's worth spending a lot of time at this place as it offers a perfect balance of nature and serenity. Also, the beaches are not too crowded. You can swim in the ocean or just lie down on your beach towel and enjoy the beauty.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work. This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
It was the day of checkout and we decided to have breakfast in the villa terrace, enjoying the view in front of us. When you wish to have breakfast in your villa itself, you can inform the staff a day before and they'll make the arrangement. You can also do multiple activities through the property itself, like snorkeling, paddleboarding, kayaking, island hopping, boat trips, or just chilling by the hammock. They provide all the gears required. You just have to inform them a couple of hours before. We did some kayaking and it was fun. These were the lovely staff members who warmly hosted us during our stay. They were friendly, caring, and always ready to help.
अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से, अभी बस 5 मिनट में निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से, जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है। लेकिन दैट वाज इट अबाउट आवर स्टे एट 10 मून सनसेट विला।
So that was it about our stay at the 10 Moon Sunset Villas in Kohli Bay. We absolutely enjoyed the property and totally recommend this place for an amazing trip. If you loved this video, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.